Have you ever looked at the price of a custom night guard and thought, how can a piece of plastic possibly cost $200? I get it. I'm Ashley, the owner of Sentinel Mouthguards, and I've spent over a decade manufacturing custom night guards right here in our dental laboratory in Florida. Today, I want to pull back the curtain and show you exactly where that money's going and why some custom night guards are worth the investment and others aren't. It starts with your teeth. Every custom night guard begins with an exact replica of your mouth. Whether that's made from a dental impression or a digital scan, every guard is built specifically for one person. Unlike something that's mass-produced in a factory, there isn't a warehouse full of identical night guards waiting to be shipped. Every single one of these is made from scratch. Dental materials aren't cheap. One of the biggest misconceptions is that all plastics are the same. They're not. Quality custom night guards are made from medical-grade dental materials specifically designed for use inside the mouth. These materials need to be durable, biocompatible, comfortable, and able to withstand thousands of hours of grinding forces. The materials alone cost significantly more than what you'd find in a generic boil and bite guard. Skilled technicians make every guard. This is the part that most people never see. Your impression isn't simply loaded into a machine and finished automatically. It'd be much easier if it did. In our laboratory, trained technicians carefully inspect every impression. They trim models, they pressure form the material, they hand make every guard, they polish the appliances, they check the fit over and over, they inspect the final product before it ever leaves the lab. There are multiple people involved in producing just one custom night guard, so you're paying for the skilled craftsmanship, not just the materials. Specialized equipment. Professional dental laboratories use equipment that most people have never seen. Vacuum and pressure forming systems, model trimmers, polishing stations, professional dental scanners, high quality finishing equipment. All of this equipment must be maintained, calibrated, and replaced over time. Why do dentist night guards cost even more? People are often surprised when they discover that a custom night guard from a dentist can cost anywhere from $400 to $800 or even more. That's because you're also paying for the dentist appointment, chair time, clinical staff, office overhead, and laboratory fees. Many direct-to-consumer companies can offer lower prices because they eliminate the office visit, not because the guard itself is lower quality. Quality control matters. If your impression isn't good enough, we don't just make the guard anyway. We contact you because we'd rather remake the impression than send you something that doesn't fit. That quality control costs time and money, but it's also what helps create a better final product. Does more expensive always mean better? Not necessarily. A higher price doesn't automatically mean a better night guard. Some companies spend heavily on advertising. Others invest more into customer support. Some manufacture everything in-house, while others outsource production. That's why it's important to compare than just look at price. Look at the materials, look at the warranty, the company's reputation, whether they manufacture in-house, and how transparent they are about their process. Customer support doesn't end after you buy. Another hidden cost is customer service. Questions before ordering, questions after ordering, help with the impressions, fit adjustments, warranty support, replacement programs. When you buy from a reputable company, you're also paying for real people who help you if something isn't right. Why are custom night guards expensive? Because they're custom-made appliances, not mass-produced plastic. They're individually made, they require skilled technicians, professional dental materials, specialized equipment, and careful quality control. If you're comparing different companies, don't just ask, how much does it cost? Ask, what am I actually getting for my money? That answer will usually tell you much more than the price tag. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions about custom night guards, leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them.